Today we're going to be taking a quick look at another plumbing screwdriver from Klein Tools. This is the Klein Tools 10-in-1 impact rated screwdriver / nut driver. And I did get this in the plumbing section at Lowe's. And it's indicated on the package, plumbing and HVAC. And it does have the blue paint on the back. On the package, here's the bits that are included. Same thing on the back side. Here's the barcode and the UPC if you want to pause the video. On the inside, you got a 11/32 and 5/16 flip socket. And this is impact rated, so if you have a 1/4 inch drive impact, it will just fit in. Then you can use the flip socket and use either side. That's how that works. And on this side, you have a 3/8 nut driver. It's also 1/4 inch drive, impact rated. And the bits on this side are 1/4 inch and 3/16 flatheads. And on this side, you have a 1/4 inch bit driver. It's magnetic and it comes with a number 2 Phillips. But one thing about this screwdriver that I'm not too crazy about is the 11/32 socket. I rarely use 11/32 for anything. So if you have that and you use 11/32, let me know in the comments what you use it for and what your trade is. But I primarily use the 11-in-1 ratchet screwdriver because for me it does everything this does, but it also has a lot more features that I use daily. So for me, that's what I go with.